Good evening, everybody. I'm Pierre Roberge, the Daily Trader. It is February 24th, and we are going to take a look at Palantir stock from a technical analysis perspective. My goal in doing these videos is to help you understand how you can use technical analysis to make better trading and investing decisions. But I am not a financial advisor, so please do your own research and make your own decisions. So Palantir was up $1.40. That's 13.42%. Like a bunch of other stocks, this was a great intraday move up. We closed at 11.83. Post market, we are down 18 cents. So let's look at what we have here on the chart. So look at this. So we have a nice green candle, and the bottom of the candle is almost perfectly aligned to our downtrend support. So very close to our downtrend support. So it seemed like we really bounced on it and we went close to our resistance at 11.94. Healthy volume also for Palantir. So these past days, the volume has been quite good. Let's look at the 1 hour chart. So the first hour of the day, nice green candle like this. Second hour, we went a little bit higher and then spent 3 hours pausing a little bit, just like this, the same pattern. And then we started to go up and then we were stopped by a resistance. In this case, it was 11.94. In Tesla's case, it was the 800 resistance. So this is really interesting. And this is the same thing for the Dow Jones. Look at this. Let me go back to the daily chart. The Dow Jones, nice green candle up. S&P 500, the same thing. NASDAQ Composite, NASDAQ 100, nice green candles. We are still in a downtrend. Until we break this downtrend, we are in the downtrend. So we should not think that things are bullish. One candle does not make a trend, but that was a very interesting move. Let's go back to the daily chart. So stochastic jumped quite far. So stochastic at 45. That's nice. MACD still bearish. RSI moving higher. Everything else is still bearish. But if we start moving above 1194, and then at some point the stochastic breaking over 60, then we might start thinking about going back up towards most likely this downward resistance right here. So I'm talking about $20. So that's almost double your money from here. That would not be too bad now, would it? Thank you very much for watching. Thank you for liking, commenting, subscribing. If you like what I do, you can become a YouTube member. You can also click on my TradingView affiliate link. I'm going to wish you a great evening. We are going to talk tomorrow and I'm going to tell you à la prochaine.